In industries where precision defines performance, cleaning technology plays a crucial role. At Thoroughclean Ultrasonic India Pvt. Limited, we bring you cutting-edge ultrasonic cleaning machine technologies designed for absolute perfection. Using high-frequency sound waves ranging from 20 to 80 kHz, our machines create millions of microscopic bubbles that implode with powerful energy, a process known as cavitation. This advanced action removes all dust, rust, and contaminants from every corner, even from the most complex components. Powered by digital ultrasonic generators, piezoelectric transducers, and temperature-controlled tanks, Thoroughclean systems deliver faster, safer, and more efficient cleaning than traditional methods. Whether it's medical, automotive, aerospace, or precision engineering, our multi-stage ultrasonic cleaning solutions ensure unmatched performance with eco-friendly cleaning chemistry and energy-efficient design. Thoroughclean, where technology meets precision for a cleaner tomorrow. Thoroughclean Ultrasonic India Pvt. Limited, India's trusted name in advanced ultrasonic cleaning solutions.